How to increase fan speed of laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to increase the speed of fan on your laptop. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To get started, go to the search bar at bottom left corner of the screen. Now type in Oven Gaming Hub, and once you find in the application, you can simply download it or install on your Windows. Once you have done that, you simply need to launch the Omen Gaming Hub app on your device. It may take a moment to load, so please be patient. Once the app is open, you have to select the Victar's Laptop tab and then navigate to Performance Control, and then under the fan speed section you will see it set to auto. To increase the fan speed, simply move the settings to maximum, and after a short wait your laptop fans will start running at the full speed, which you should be able to hear. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.